working with these now. Very excited. I have a 1/3 cup measure, which I did not have before. I actually have a lot more of this. Under the cabinet, I bought like 20 pounds of popcorn. So I don't run out. This is the seasoning that we're going with today. We've not tried this before, I just opened it. The secret, I think, is the powdered tomatoes. Tomato powder. So that's cool. I mean, that's going to be very flavorful. It smells very good. It doesn't smell like anything we've had before. And quickly, the blue cheese buffalo and jalapeno popper both taste exactly like they say, and they're awesome. They contain like powdered white cheddar, powdered blue cheese, powdered vinegar, which is amazing. I did see powdered rice vinegar for sale, so I'm thinking about getting that for sushi. I think that'd be a great idea. It's a little bit easier to work with, and you can reconstitute it with water, so it becomes rice vinegar. Okay. Oh, first pop of the poppin' pop. At 4:19 on the dot. Here we go. This is just basic popcorn. It's in a mushroom popcorn container because that's what was in here before, and there are some mushroom popcorn kernels which happen to be extremely large. and in charge. If you want to have popcorn that is good for kettle corn, I recommend that. The mushroom stuff looks like a little mushroom. It's insane. Like a little button top, button head, button cap mushroom. Very compact and big. If I see one, I don't know if there's going to be any on this because I just poured this on the top of the... I don't know. We'll see. I refilled the container is what I'm trying to say, and I think that I've went through all of the mushroom stuff that was in there. That one looked really big. I got contenders. I don't know how they would have ended up on the top of the batch, but maybe 420. Pop on. I know I'm so corny. First escapees. And some of the Native American cultures believe that, and I don't know which ones, and I don't know how accurate this is, and I don't have any factual data, but they believe that popcorn contains spirits of the little people. You're essentially eating a pixie shell, corpse. I look at it as like a pixie casing, sort of like a beetle shell, but the way that a snake sheds its skin, the way the pixie sheds its skin, so when you pop the popcorn it escapes and leaves behind a puff of popcorn and a shell. So that's what I think. I don't know. I think that sounds like a good story of the way popcorn inhabits and releases little people. Little people being a spiritual thing, a mythical creature, a cryptoid, I guess you'd say. I mean, there's no data evidence. There is the Andrew Lang series from like a 1600 from the little 17... Well, anyway, the Blue Fairy People Diaries, the Blue Fairy book, the Green Fairy book, all those. Okay, we're getting close to the end of the... Oh gosh. Got some serious popcorn. Okay. Here's something that I like to do that's a little bit anal, but I think that it's a cool idea. This is a vapor oil, and you can just scrape it off with a squeegee thing and get a bit of the flavor back to your popcorn. It might just be me being anal. I didn't see any come down. Usually it does, so give me a break. Yay. Let's see any of the mushroom pieces. Let's see. I like to do this and give the last few kernels. I'm pretty anal about this. We make popcorn about every day because it's a very healthy, easy thing. Okay. Thus the many flavorings for popcorn. Oh gosh, that box over there is just popcorn seasonings. That's what that is. Just for popcorn. My Spiceology. The buffalo blue cheese. See how it says popcorn. Okay, let's do this. Handles are not hot. A little warm, but not uncomfortable. Oh look. Perfect. Yeah, I don't really see any of the big pieces. Oh goddamn. Ooh, nice good red tomato powdered color to that. I really like how these all stack up. So there's also s'mores flavor, apple cinnamon popcorn seasoning, which sounds weird, but would be delicious. The pizza one, the blue cheese buffalo, jalapeno popper, which is super spicy and good. Truffle parmesan we've not tried. The s'mores is going to be amazing. You can't even see it. That is the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. Okay, those. That. Isn't that cool? Okay. You can get them online. Right. A little mixy. It's sort of important. I know people don't really do this. But if you do it while it's hot, you can disperse the flavor in the oil better. And it does help. Of course it does. Just pour it on in one area. It's not going to go very far. Now we're ready.